Hello and welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we'll solve a simple yet fundamental problem, counting the number of even digits in a given integer. This exercise will help us practice loops, arithmetic operations, and basic logic in JavaScript. Let's get started. Our task is to count how many digits in a given integer are even. For example, in the number 1020, there are 3 even digits, 0, 2, and another 0. This simple problem will help us explore loops and arithmetic operations in JavaScript. Here's the JavaScript function for counting even digits. First, the function initializes a counter, CTR, to 0. Second, in a loop, it checks whether the last digit of the number is even using the modulus operator. Third, it removes the last digit of the number by dividing it by 10 and using method flow. This process repeats until the number becomes 0, and the counter is returned as the result. This test cases at the bottom demonstrate how the function works for different inputs. Let's break the function down step by step. Start by initializing a counter to track the even digits. Extract the last digit using the modulus operator. We check if the digit is even or divisible by 2. We remove the last digit by dividing the number by 10. We repeat the process until all digits are processed. This ensures that all even digits are counted accurately. Let's analyze these examples. For 123, only the digit 2 is even, so the output is 1. For 1020, the even digits are 0, 2, and then another 0, making the output 3. For 102, the even digits are 2 and 0, so the output is 2. This step-by-step approach ensures accurate counting for any input number. The ES6 version of the function simplifies the code by using arrow functions syntax. The logic remains the same. Loop through the number, count the even digits, and remove the last digit until the number becomes 0. This modernized syntax improves readability and fits seamlessly into JavaScript projects. In summary, this program efficiently counts the even digits in a given integer. By using loops and arithmetic, we can extract, analyze, and count each digit. This approach is not only simple, but is also highly effective for working with numbers in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.